Ang human trafficking ay isa sa pinakamalaganap at kasuklam-suklam na krimen na nagwawasak sa dignidad at pagkatao ng mga kababaihan at kabataan.
Tears and things that spread around your sorrow, can they feel you? Show them how you want to live tomorrow. Can they see the pain in my eyes? Will it stay till the day I die? When the time comes for the last good night, would he hold me oh so tight? I need to know why this thing's happening to me. Tell me if this pain inside is the love that meant for me.
Kaming mga nasa pamahalaan na patuloy na pinagsisikapang tawirin at tahakin ang matuwid na daan ay nagkakaisa sa pananalig na ang pinagsamang kapangyarihan ng mga Pilipino na aming pinangako ng tapat ng pananilibihan at paglilingkod ay magsisilbing isang apoy na tutupok sa kasamaan ng mga taong nasa likod ng human trafficking.
Do I have supposed to ever love you?
Team 2, John.
Can
We are
you
them.
tell me? How do I keep the faith in this love? Can they feel I still long for your love? And just I'm imagining all your tears and endless sorrow are all gone now. I could sing